Hello everybody. So today Amber gave me a chance to play around some more. I've been needing to reorganize things a little bit, so here's kind of where things are at after today. Organizing some of our wiring, setting up for future. Not pictured here. Well, first let's go over here. So we had our original mess that was just hanging around, and that was kind of like this part here. And after picking things up and things coming unplugged, it was time to change. So we got these guys set in on little standoffs. So they're screwed through so they're not going to move. Again, I have my LCD screen, my little power converter. Since this runs on 3.3 volts, this runs on 5, and they need to talk. Humidity sensor, flame sensor, just to kind of play around with. And then here, we're going to have our 120 volt distribution. So that's going to come in on this wire here. And then essentially inducer motor, flame igniter. This is the blower motor. There was something else that I needed. If we take a look, maybe I didn't need one of those. Flame igniter. Oh, I don't think I needed that fourth one. So one of those is going to turn into the relay for 120 volt or 120 24 volt gas switch, and that's going to go out. So not pictured here. I have a box full of parts here. We're going to get one of these bad boys that's going to sit over somewhere here, and this is going to be our ground or neutral or whatever, common. So all of this is going to go in, and then the neutrals are going to go in here. And I'm pretty sure I can use 120 and the 24 volt all on the same ground, but maybe not. So this might, I'll figure that part when I get there. But yeah, just kind of reorganized, made some more room, moved some of the pins around. So as of now, everything's hooked up. Now I can write the code for when these guys need to switch. I still need the inputs from like the inducer pressure sensor. There'll be a flame sensor, some rollout flame stuff. But essentially, this is what it's going to look like, so I can move it around. And yeah, next time I'm probably going to be back down in the basement plugging things into the furnace. I got some wire connectors here that the Cubs helped me organize, so those are good. Just miscellaneous stuff all over. But yeah, good times. All right, later.